This video might give some data on the subject of effective financial planning. However, it doesn't comprise speculation guidance. It is fundamental that you require the investment to completely assess your choices as a whole and do your own examination prior to settling on any venture choices. Like that, you can boost the possibilities procuring a benefit from your ventures and limit the probability of enduring misfortune. Our constant Doge to USD cost update shows the ongoing Dogecoin cost is 7 cents USD. According to our Dogecoin cost forecast, Doge cost is supposed to have a 6.56% lessening and drop as low as by April 3, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 55%, with a trepidation and covetousness record score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Dogecoin has had 15 30th green days and 4.32% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $8 cents, and Doge is buy and buy position no. 9 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Dogecoin is $10,137,231,778.54, with a market cap of $132,670,764,300 Doge. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Doge has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 1.28%. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Doge has expanded by 5.87%, adding a huge typical measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 49.4% by Doge Value Gauge for February 2023. In view of the value variances of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 8 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 7 cents and at 8 cents, separately. Possible return for money invested. 1.1% by WALC 2023. Dogecoin Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Doge cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 8 cents, while the most extreme could reach 9 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 8 cents. Likely return for money invested. 6.9% by Doge Value Estimate for April 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Dogecoin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they foresee may be around 8 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 8 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 9 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 10.3% by May 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Doge cost will be exchanged at 9 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 9 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 8 cents in May 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 14.9% by Doge Value Gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 9 cents. The most minimal and top Doge rates may be 9 cents and 10 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 26.4% by July 2023. Dogecoin Value Estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Doge cost will be around 9 cents. In July 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least 9 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 10 cents in July 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 26.4% by Doge Value Conjecture for August 2023. Having dissected Dogecoin costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 10 cents in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 9 cents. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Dogecoin is almost 9 cents. Expected return for money invested. 26.4% by September 2023. Dogecoin Value Gauge around mid-2023. The Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 9 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Doge cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 37.9% by Doge Value Estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least 9 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 11 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 10 cents. Expected return for capital invested, 37.9% by November 2023. Dogecoin value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Doge costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogecoin will be around 12 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 10 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 10 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 49.4% by Doge value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 10 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, likely return for money invested, 49.4% by Dogecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 18 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 16 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin in 2025, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 23 cents and 27 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 24 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Dogecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Doge cost could drop to 33 cents, while its greatest can reach 40 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 34 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Doge costs are normal in 2027, 59 cents and 49 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 50 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Dogecoin. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 74 cents. It could drop to at least 71 cents. However, it actually could reach 87 cents all through 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Dogecoin. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.06 and $1.25 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.10 during the year. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Dogecoin's cost. The year 2030 not entirely settled by the greatest Doge cost of $1.81. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1.50. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.55. Dogecoin value expectation